Hello, welcome to Norioke channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing a tutorial on how to create a manga background without using the preset manga background filters available in ibisPaint. First, import the image you want to use as the manga background. I recommend using an anime background image. Once the image is imported, go to the Layers panel and duplicate the first imported image. Next, go to the second layer. Open the Filter menu and select Find Edges Handwriting. Adjust the thickness, amount of lines, and sensitivity according to your preference. After that, go to the first layer. Open Filter menu again and apply the Extract Line Drawing filter. Adjust the black, white, and middle values to suit your needs. Once done, change the screen tone of the first layer to .L4. Then, on the second layer, change the blending mode from normal to darken. You can also adjust the opacity of the second layer if needed. And that's it. Your manga background is now complete.